Hello, 大家好, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn two groups of super confusing Chinese words. They look similar and their English translations are almost the same, but they have completely different logic and usage in Chinese. These commonly used words are easily to misunderstand and misuse. If you cannot tell their differences, your expression can be inaccurate and maybe even awkward. In this video, we will learn two groups of 6 high-frequency confusing words, one by one. For every word, I will explain its core logic meanings, and I will give you simple example sentences with pinyin and English translation. Let's start our lesson now. Group 1. 觉得 versus 认为 versus 以为. These three words all have the same meaning of expressing personal thoughts, opinions, and judgments. However, they have different focuses and hidden implied meanings in use. Now let's analyze and learn each word one by one. First word, 觉得. The core logic of this word is personal feelings, emotions, and casual opinions. We use this word in daily life to talk about our senses, preferences, and personal thoughts. It is informal, soft, and the most commonly used in daily conversation. Examples: 我觉得今天的天气很好. I feel the weather is nice today. It is a very simple personal feeling. 我觉得中文越来越简单了. I think Chinese is getting easier. Again, this is a personal feeling. Repeat after me. 我觉得今天的天气很好. "我觉得中文越来越简单了." The second word, 认为. The core logic of this word is rational judgments, formal and serious opinions. It is more official and logical compared to 觉得. We use it for serious ideas, objective views, study, work, and public discussions, not for simple feelings only. 我认为坚持学习非常重要. I believe that keeping study is very important. This is my serious opinion. 科学家认为运动对身体有益. Scientists believe that doing exercises is good for health. This is a rational judgment based on some study result, not only their personal feelings. Repeat after me. 我认为坚持学习非常重要. 科学家认为运动对身体有益. The third word, 以为. The core logic of this word is misunderstanding, incorrect thought, wrong guess. This is the biggest difference. 以为 means you believed something before, but the fact is different. It always carries the meaning of I was wrong. Compare with 觉得 and 认为. 以为 has a very unique negative meaning of wrong judgment that the other two words don't have. Examples: 我以为今天是周末. I thought today was the weekend. This means, in fact, today is not the weekend. 我以为你不会说中文. I thought you could not speak Chinese. This implies that you actually can speak Chinese. Repeat after me. 我以为今天是周末。我以为你不会说中文。That's the 3 words for Group 1. Now let's move on to Group 2. The 3 words for the second group are 然后、后来、以后。All 3 words are related to time order. We use them to connect things that happen one after another. But of course, they all have different focuses. The first word, 然后. This is a simple time order, means then. You can add the next action behind it. It is used to connect 2 actions or 2 things in daily conversation. It only tells what happens next. No special extra meaning. It is very casual and suitable for daily communication. Examples: 我早上喝咖啡，然后开始工作。I drink coffee in the morning, then I start to work. 我写完作业，然后出门散步。I finish homework, then I go out for a walk. Repeat after me. 我早上喝咖啡，然后开始工作。我写完作业，然后出门散步。Next word, 后来. This word is for past time change, story development. It is only used for past event. It means things were different before, but as time passed by, the situation changed gradually. We often use it to tell personal experience, life stories, and past events. Examples: 我们以前是同学，后来很久没见面。We were classmates before, but later we didn't meet for a long time. 一开始很难，后来我慢慢学会了。It was hard at first, and later I slowly learned it. Repeat after me. 我们以前是同学，后来很久没见面。一开始很难，后来我慢慢学会了。Last word, 以后. This is for future time, means after something or from now on. It focuses on the future timeline. It means after a certain time or event happens, or make plans and arrangement from now onward. Examples: 放学以后，我要回家吃饭。After school, I will go home for dinner. 以后我要每天练习中文。From now on, I will practice Chinese every day. Repeat after me. 放学以后，我要回家吃饭。以后我要每天练习中文。 Great job, everyone! Now let's review these two groups of confusing words we learned today. Group 1. Words for think. 觉得 is for personal feeling, casual daily opinion, informal and soft. 认为 is for formal, rational, and serious objective view. 以为 is for wrong thoughts, misunderstanding. The fact is different. Second group, words for time order. 然后 is for the next action. It's a simple daily time order. 后来 is for past experience and story development. 以后 is for future time or plan for the later. These 6 words appear in daily conversation and daily reading text all the time. Many learners only memorize their simple English meaning, but ignore the hidden logic differences. While mastering their usage differences will make your Chinese expression more accurate. Now let's do a simple quiz to check if you really understand these words. I will give you fill-in-the-blank questions. Please think carefully and choose the right word from today's lesson. Quiz 1. Choose the correct word from 觉得、认为、以为。我这家餐厅的食物特别好吃。I think the food in this restaurant is very delicious. 老师每天复习是学好中文的关键。Teachers believe that reviewing every day is the key to learn Chinese well. 我今天放假，所以睡过头了。I thought today was a holiday, so I slept in. I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it before showing you the answers. 我觉得这家餐厅的食物特别好吃。老师认为每天复习是学好中文的关键。我以为今天放假，所以睡过头了。The second quiz. Choose the correct word from 然后、后来、以后。我每天看书，练习口语。I read books every day, then practice speaking. 我们一开始不认识，变成了好朋友。We didn't know each other at first. Later we became good friends. 长大，我想去世界各地旅行。When I grow up, I want to travel around the world. You have 5 seconds. 我每天看书，然后练习口语。我们一开始不认识，后来变成了好朋友。长大以后，我想去世界各地旅行。How many do you get right? You can write one simple sentence with any of the 6 words in the comment section below. Thank you for watching today's video. If this video is helpful for your Chinese learning, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!